Welcome to our guide on mastering airport layouts. No matter the size, each airport has a fundamental structure which is easy to understand with a few tips. Generally, air travel hubs are divided into sections: terminal, gate, concourse, etc. Always locate the departure and arrival boards upon entering the airport, as they provide crucial navigation information. Look out for numbered and color coding systems that facilitate wayfinding. Don't just follow crowd. Dispelling a common myth, the fastest route isn't always the people mover. Sometimes walking gets you there quicker. Moving on to packing efficiently for airport security. First and foremost, always remember the 100 ml rule for liquids in carry-on luggage. Pack your liquids in a clear, resealable bag for easy inspection. Keep electronics and cables at the top of your bag for quick accessibility, as these often need separate scans. Travel with shoes that can be easily taken off. Roll your clothes rather than folding them to save space, and make good use of packing cubes. Thinking ahead about these details can speed up the security process significantly. In today's digital age, navigating airports has been made easier with certain mobile applications. Apps like GateGuru and TripIt Pro provide real-time updates, terminal maps, and even airport amenities. You can also leverage airports' free Wi-Fi to access these apps and to look up any quick information you might need. Moreover, by adding digital copies of your boarding passes to your smartphone, you can have all necessary travel documents conveniently in one place. Remember, technology isn't just for entertainment, it's a powerful navigation tool. Making the check-in process speedy is all about preparation. Begin by checking in online. It saves time at the airport and ensures your seat. Having a digital copy of your boarding pass also helps reduce hassle. As for your luggage, stick to carry-on if possible, but if checking a bag is necessary, ensure it's properly tagged. Aim to arrive at the airport early, allowing plenty of time for unanticipated events. Lastly, enroll for TSA PreCheck or similar services that allow expedited security. A well-coordinated check-in process is a good start to any journey. Finding the best food and shops within airports can transform your airport experience. Apps like At Your Gate and Grab help you locate eateries, order food directly to your gate, or pick up your order while in transit. Websites like iFly and GateGuru also offer comprehensive guides on shopping and dining options. Remember, don't limit yourself to your immediate vicinity. Sometimes a quick walk can unfold diverse options. Also consider the health factor while making your choice. You can often find fresh and healthy options if you look beyond the usual fast food outlets. Capably managing flight delays and cancellations starts with awareness about your rights. Familiarize yourself with airline policies on reimbursements, accommodation, and compensation. Always update contact information with airlines to receive real-time updates. Using apps like FlightAware can also provide up-to-date flight information. In case of foreseeable delay, research alternative flights. Consider investing in comprehensive travel insurance to cover unexpected expenses. Keep essential items in your carry-on case. Remember, setbacks happen, but with the right strategies, they're easy to manage.